Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Miss. And you?
Very well, thank you. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Thank you. Today we are going to learn English with the topic asking and giving opinion. By the end of this lesson, I hope all of you can ask and give opinions confidently and politely. Are you ready to learn?
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
Excellent. Let's begin our lesson. Please look at the learning objectives. Today, after studying this material, you are expected to first, identify expression of asking and giving opinion. Second, use opinion expression correctly. Third, express opinions politely and confidently. And finally, create simple dialogue using opinion expression. These objectives are important because we often give opinions in our daily life. For example, when talking about school, hobbies, movies, games, or social media. And then before learning the material, let's discuss some questions. I want to know your opinions. What do you think about online learning?
I think online learning is useful
Very good. Why do you think so?
because students can study from home.
Excellent answer. Now, other students, do you agree with school uniforms?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because uniforms make student looks neat.
Good answer. And other students, what is your opinion about social media?
In my opinion, social media is helpful.
Very good. Other students, how do you feel about homework?
I think homework is useful.
Excellent. Thank you for your opinion. Today, we will learn how to express those opinions correctly in English. So, let's learn what opinions means. Opinion is a thought, idea, or feeling about something. Everyone has opinions. For example, some students think English is interesting. Others may think mathematics is more interesting. Both answer are opinion. Look at the example on the screen. I think English is interesting. In my opinion, reading books is important. This sentence express personal thought. Remember, everyone can have different opinions, and we must respect other people's opinions. Can you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
Very good. And then we move to the next slide. Now, let's move asking opinion. Asking opinion means asking someone what they think about something. Please read the expression together. What do you think about? What is your opinion about? Do you agree with? How do you feel about? Excellent. Let's discuss them. Let's discuss them one by one. First, what do you think about? Is used to ask someone talk. For example, what do you think about online learning? Second, what is your opinion about? is a more formal expression. For example, what is your opinion about social media? Third, do you agree with? Ask whether someone agrees or disagrees. For example, do you agree with school uniforms? And fourth, how do you feel about? Ask about someone's feeling or feel. Very easy, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Now let's learn giving opinion. Giving opinion means expressing our own thought. And now please repeat after me. I think,
I
I
think
think,
I think,
in my opinion,
in my
In my
opinion,
opinion,
My opinion,
I believe,
I
I
believe,
I believe,
I agree because,
I
I
agree
agree
or
because,
I disagree because.
I
I
disagree
disagree because.
because.
Excellent. Let's see the examples. I think online learning is useful. This means the speaker believes online learning is useful. Another example, in my opinion, social media is helpful. This expression sounds more formal. When you agree with something, you can say, I agree because. And when you disagree, you can say, I disagree because. Remember, giving reasons make your opinion stronger. And then, now let's read the dialogue. Saya minta tolong dua siswa untuk membacakan dialog ini. Siapa yang mau?
Saya, Miss.
Satu lagi? Satu siswa
Saya,
lagi?
Miss.
Oke. Please read the dialogue.
What do you think about online classes?
I think online classes are flexible and helpful.
Do you agree that online learning is effective?
I agree because it saves time.
Excellent. Good job, Mutia dan Tasya. This dialogue shows both asking opinion and giving opinion. Now, let's move to the practice time. Mutia, what do you think about English lessons?
I think English lesson are is interesting.
Very good. Now, Tasya, what is your opinion about reading books?
In my opinion, reading books are important.
Excellent. And then, Bintang, do you agree with school uniforms?
yes, I agree because they make students disciplined.
Good answer. And then, Abias, how do you feel about online learning?
I think it's useful, Miss.
Wonderful. Give applause to your friends. Now, let's do a role play activity. Please work in pairs. Jadi kalian buat kelompok berpasang-pasangan untuk short dialog dari topik yang ada di layar. Dua orang dengan 3 topik. Siapa dengan siapa, lalu dari kelompok 1 sampai kelompok 3 ada 3 pasang.
Aku mau sama Mutia, Miss.
Oleh. Lalu kelompok 2,
Saya dan Nabias.
ya. Lalu kelompok ketiga,
Saya boleh
sama sama siapa, Mas ya?
sama Naila boleh deh.
Hey. You may choose one topic from the screen. You have 1 minute to prepare. Kelompok 1, apakah sudah siap?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah, Miss.
Baik, boleh langsung saja dipresentasikan.
Okay. What do you think about school uniform, Mutia?
I think school uniforms are important
Why do you think so?
because uniforms make students look neat and disciplined.
Do you agree that uniform create equality among students?
Yes, I agree because a student wear the same clothes.
Excellent. Very good pronunciation and confidence, Mutia and Tasya. Now, next move to group 2. Apakah sudah siap?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, boleh langsung saja. Bintang dan Nabias.
We are going to topic social media. What is your opinion about social media?
I think social media is very useful
Why is it useful?
because I can learn from social media.
Do you agree that students should use social media wisely?
Yes, I agree.
Oke.
Yes, I agree because it saves time.
Excellent job. Thank you for sharing your opinions. And next, we move to group 3. Apakah sudah siap?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah, Miss.
Langsung saja, Marsha dan Ayla.
Okay, we are from group 3 and our topic is reading books. What do you think about reading books?
I think reading books is very beneficial
Can you tell me why?
because reading books can improve our knowledge and vocabulary.
Do you agree that students should have read books every day?
Yes, I agree because reading helps us learn new things.
Oh, wonderful. Very clear and confident, Naila and Marsha. Give them applause. And uh, excellent work, everyone. You have shown that you can ask and give opinions correctly. From the role plays, we learned that different people can have different opinions. We should respect other people's opinions. We can use expressions such as, what do you think about? What is your opinion about? I think, in my opinion, I agree because, I disagree because. I'm very happy because all of you participated actively today. Keep practicing English and don't be afraid to express your opinion. And then this part, before we end our lesson, let's review. Today we learned about asking and giving opinion. Asking opinion means asking someone's ideas or thoughts. Giving opinion means expressing our own ideas. Example of asking opinion is, what do you think about, or do you agree with? Example of giving opinion, I think, in my opinion, I agree because. Can someone mention one expression of asking opinion? One student can mention one expression of asking opinion.
In my
Um,
opinion, Miss.
Excellent. Lalu, can someone mention one expression of giving opinion?
what do you think about, Miss?
Very good. And now, uh, thank you for participation today. You were very active and confident. I hope you can use this expression in your daily conversation. Keep practicing English every day. See you next meeting.
See you,
See
Miss.
you,
Thank you.
Miss.
Miss.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.